What's up, guys?
Hey everyone.
All good?
How's it going?
My name is Jack.
My name is Henry.
In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Pineal Guardian. About the Pineal Guardian before you buy it. I also have some important warnings for you. So it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end to avoid wasting or lose your money. The first thing to note is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product. Right now it's only sold on the official website to make it easier for you. So to help you, the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to share my experience, to tell you my experience, and help you determine if you know if the Pineal Guardian works. What is Pineal Guardian? What is Pineal Guardian? Pineal Guardian's primary Guardian's main function is to detoxify and protect the pineal gland. The pineal gland, also known as the third eye, is crucial for regulating sleep, producing melatonin, and maintaining a healthy hormonal balance, ensuring significant memory improvement. Keeping this gland healthy can significantly improve quality of life. Does Pineal Guardian work? Pineal Guardian is perfect for anyone who wants to improve sleep quality, increase mental clarity, and balance hormonal levels. If you feel that your general health could benefit from a supplement that focuses on detoxifying the pineal gland and significantly improving memory, then Pineal Guardian is for you. Pineal Guardian ingredients. Pineal Guardian contains 9 powerful natural ingredients that have been perfectly combined to help boost memory function and overall brain health. Pineal Guardian. To get the benefits of Pineal Guardian, the manufacturer recommends taking one drop a day, preferably in the morning. You can take each drop directly or with your tea, coffee, juice, or any other drink you prefer. Just make sure you shake the bottle well first so that the ingredients can combine into an extra potent mixture. Pineal Guardian money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can request a refund. This shows the confidence the company has in the product's effectiveness. What's more, Pineal Guardian is FDA approved, ensuring its safety and quality. Pineal Guardian official website. So, if you are looking for a way to improve your memory and overall general health and well-being, give Pineal Guardian a try. Remember, the link to the official website is in the video description and in the first comment.